The cables are fraying. We need to lower it slowly.
Take the strain off the front, carefully.
Look at the rust on that grill.
How long do you think it's been here?
Years, definitely. Looks like a WWII Jeep.
Incredible find.
The spark plugs look shot.
Thank you.
The carburetor needs rebuilding.
Let's list the major issues first.
Agreed.
Isn't this view incredible?
It's absolutely breathtaking.
Nothing beats this.
Keep a lookout.
I see something up ahead.
There it is, the Barracks.
Look at this.
What do you think happened here?
I told you it would be here.
We should be careful.
Almost there.
Just a few more.
Good job.
Help me push.
Stand back, I'm shining the light on the gap. All right, here goes.
Careful. I'm right behind you.
Keep the light low.
Checking the crates.
Watch your step here.
Keep the light low, just ahead.
What is that?
I don't know. Stay alert. Keep your eyes on the floor.
I see something over here.
Careful where you step. It's uneven.
Look at this. It's perfectly preserved.
Yeah.
I think this is what we've been searching for. Keep your eyes peeled.
Over here. Look at this. It's been here for years.
I know. Check the license plate.
Look at the rust on that grill.
How long do you think it's been here?
Years, definitely. Looks like a WWII Jeep.
Incredible find.
Still intact.
Yeah, it looks like it.
We can do this.
I think I see something.
Keep wiping.
There, a star. I knew it.
God, this is stiff.
What do you see in there? Turn the light up.
Look at this. It's still connected.
That's impossible.
Still turns. Still turns. Maybe we can get it going. Looks like it's been here a while.
Yeah, the tires are completely shot. Looks like a blowout, impossible to patch.
Oh. Think you can fix it?
Give me a minute. There might be a spare.
See that fuel line?
Yeah.
Might be the issue.
The rust is deep. It might be structural.
Can we bypass it?
I'm not getting anything. Try to reach someone.
I am. Keep trying.
I'm here now. There's been a change of plans.
Your magic cast ran.
Copy that. I'm finishing up here.
Almost done with this side. Need to make sure these hold.
Look at that rust. It's completely corroded.
I know, it's worse than I thought.
We're not going anywhere in this.
Almost got it.
Careful not to lose the momentum.
It's steady now.
Good. Let's make this shine.
Look at this. It's in incredible condition.
I know, we can fix this.
Definitely. This is exactly what we needed. They're here.
Finally.
Look at that convoy. All right, it's here. Let's get to it. Copy that. The mountain pass is closed. We need to extract that Jeep from the hangar. Copy that. We'll set up the winch.
Be careful, the road is unstable.
Keep your eyes on that far wall. Copy that. Check the perimeter. Stay alert.
You see the stress fracture right here? It's deeper than it looks.
Is it load bearing?
Yes, critical. We need to reinforce it before anything else.
Understood.
Keep it steady. Watch that coil. Pull it now, hard. Make sure it holds.
Hook is secure.
Roger, check the tension. Looks good. Let's start the pull. Cable's clear on the left.
Confirmed. Engaging lift.
Hold it, take it slow.
Keep it steady. Tighten just a little more.
Almost there.
Ready when you are. Keep it steady. Watch the cables.
Adjusting the winch.
All right, hold it there.
The cables are fraying, we need to lower it slowly.
Take the strain off the front, carefully.
All right, steady. Steady. Slow.
Got it.
Keep it coming. Steady, that's it. Setting it down.
Total mistake.
Copy that. The cables on the back are pretty loose.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that rust on the suspension.
Keep it steady. Watch the angle. Just a little further. Lower it down now. Easy. Keep it steady now. Slowly. Watch your fingers, Mike.
Almost there.
Almost there. Drop it. Almost got it. Give it one more turn.
Secure.
That's secure.
Secure.
Good. Let's go.
Looks like this is it. Hopefully they can fix it quickly. We'll see. All right, it's here.
Wow, it's pretty rough.
But the bones are good. Let's get it inside. All right, ramps are down. Let's get these chains off.
With tools.
Ready with the tools. All right, these chains are loose. Okay, pull that one clear. Careful not to snag it. All right, chains are off. She's loose, take it slow.
Watch the clearance.
Easy now, onto the gravel. We're good, bring her in. Keep it steady. Chains are secure here.
We're almost there, just a little further.
Okay, stop, right there. Perfect.
The spark plugs look shot.
Thank you.
The carburetor needs rebuilding.
Let's list the major issues first.
Agreed.
All right, here we go. Looks like it's holding up. Let's see what's under all this.
Keep it on the hood.
Looks like it's coming off.
Move to the door. Keep at it. This hood is fighting back.
We're making progress.
Looks better already. You see that line? It's completely seized.
Yeah, I see it. It's fused with the corrosion.
I think if we adjust this here,
Right, that's what I was thinking. Careful, don't break it. Steady.
we're almost there. This seems to be the source of the problem.
Yes, quite a lot of rust.
Keep it steady here, lots of rust.
Okay, I'm documenting the progress. Looks like we're nearly through the worst of it.
All right, just a little more.
Okay, I've got the light right here.
There it is.
All right, according to the manual, this part should fit right here.
Yep, that's what the diagram shows. Just need the right wrench.
The paint looks good. Ready for assembly? Yes, that spec on the carburetor is crucial.
I think we've got it right this time. It's ready for the road.
We checked all the connections. It looks solid. Keep holding it steady. Good. Tightening it now.
Yes, that's it. Looks secure. Okay, what's next? Perfect.
Just needed a little more torque. Looks perfect. Are we ready?
Just give me a second to check the spark plugs.
All right, go for it.
All right, slowly now. Mind that clearance there.
I've got it. Steady.
Keep going. Slowly. Looking good.
Yep.
Almost there. Okay, lower it just a bit.
Good.
Perfect. It's seated. Connect that blue wire there.
Got it.
Got it. Now this bolt needs to be snug.
Just a little more.
Done.
She's alive. Knew you could do it.
She purrs beautifully, boss.
Amazing work.
She's running like a dream.
It sounds perfect.
Almost there.
Perfect day for a drive.
All right, here we go. Looks like a perfect day for it.
Look at that up there.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely perfect.
Look at that.
Incredible.
All worth it.
So this sign confirms we're on the right track.
Looks like it. Let's compare it with the map.
Keep an eye out for that turn.
Got it. It's beautiful out here.
The view is incredible from up here.
It's even better than you said it would be.
Isn't this view incredible?
It's absolutely breathtaking.
Nothing beats this. The mountain air feels good today, doesn't it?
It's perfect. Worth the long drive. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it really is.